Okay, good morning. Today we will discuss about the different types of the solar energy system and how the energy is obtained by solar heating or solar cooling. So already in the earlier video we discussed about the solar energy that the definition supports that the solar energy originates with the thermonuclear fusion reaction occurring in the sun. जो सन से एनर्जी हमें मिलती है इट इज ड्यू टू द thermonuclear fusion reaction. It represents the entire electromagnetic radiations, visible light, infrared, ultraviolet, X-rays, and radio waves that represent the entire electromagnetic radiation that depend upon the light, infrared, ultraviolet, X-rays, and radio waves. The energy consists of a radiant light and heat energy from the sun. What is solar energy? It means that the radiant light and heat energy from the sun. Out of all energy emitted by sun, only a small fraction of energy is observed by the earth. Just this teeny fraction of the sun energy is enough to meet all our power needs. This is the energy bandwidth, wavelength, short wave radiation. The graph. In this graph, we can see that the X-rays, the ultraviolet rays, visible light, sun's energy, infrared radiation, microwaves, radio waves, and wave profile. We know that the radiation process occurs by the wavelength slowly, when decrease or increase according to the distance. We know that the intensity of the lighting will be decrease or increase. Now, insolation. Insolation is the amount of solar radiation reaching the earth. It means that the Earth outer core surface temperature is 5777 Kelvin, and the insolation process by which the solar radiation reaching the sun energy on the Earth, that is also called the incident solar radiation. The maximum value is 1000 kilowatt per meter square. The maximum value to the reaching of the incident radiation, that the unit of the radiation will be kilowatt per meter square, 1000. The components for the solar radiation, either direct radiation or diffuse radiation or reflect radiation. Diffuse radiation, direct radiation, and reflect radiation. How much solar energy? The surface receives about 47% of the solar energy that reaches the earth. Only this amount is usable. How much solar energy? सन से जो एनर्जी आ रही है वो एब्जॉर्ब भी हो रही है, स्कैटर्ड भी हो रही है, ट्रांसमिट भी हो रही है और एटमॉस्फेयर में भी वो एनर्जी जा रही है. तो सन से जो एनर्जी आती है और ज़मीन तक आते आते उसका 80 to 85% जो है वो डिसवेनिश हो जाता है atmosphere में. The surface receiving about 47% of the total solar energy that reaches the earth. It means that the maximum intensity of receiving the sun energy on the earth, that is maximum up to 47%, somehow that 10 to 15% may also be calculation by the sun energy comes on the surface of the earth. Now, using present solar techniques, some of the solar energy reaching the earth is utilizing for generating heat, electricity, etc. Some energy that reaching the earth use that are utilized for generating heat, electricity, etc. Even then, the energy demand met by using solar energy is very less. Fossil, biofuel, hydro, and nuclear. There are some conventional energy resources by which we obtain the electricity by the fossil fuels, by the biofuels, by hydro-based, and by nuclear. By the solar, we obtain the energy up to 0.8%. Why solar energy? The fossil fuels are non-renewable sources, so we cannot depend on them forever. We know that a certain amount of coal that are present in the earth crust, but we cannot depend on the several millions years on the poles, because one day the calculation comes because so much consumption of the coal that causes after several decades we obtain that very less amount of coal will be present. So the nuclear energy is a clean and green energy as said by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. There are always some problem associated with it. So the only option we have is solar energy because it is a non-polluting and silent source of electricity and also low maintenance and long lasting energy. How solar energy is used? Basically, the solar energy is used by the solar thermal energy, by solar heating, solar water heating, solar space heating, solar space cooling, electricity generation using solar concentrator, photovoltaic cells. These are the different areas in which we use the solar energy. Solar thermal energy. The solar thermal energy technology involves harvesting energy from the sun for heating water or producing electrical power. The thermal energy of the sun energy that harvests energy from the sun for heating water or producing electrical power. Solar collector are used for this purpose. Three types of the solar collector already we discussed in the earlier video. That one is the flat plate collector. Another example of the solar collector that is evacuated to collector, integral collector storage system. So these are the different types of the solar collector: flat type, evacuated tube collector, and internal collector. These are the figure of flat plate collector in which the plates absorber solar glass, housing, tubing, and insulation. Now, evacuated tube collectors, the copper manifold, heat exchangers, cold water in, hot water out, individual evacuated tube, heat pipe, absorb plate, heat pipe, absorb plate, heat transfer, hot water out, solar radiation, and absorber plate. Integral collector system. This is the figure of the integral collector system in which the different terms that are integrated into the integral collector system. One is the glazing sheet, then sealed heat enclosure, foam or aluminum insulation, heat absorbing large diameter copper tubes, heat absorbing back plate, solar radiation, collector storage, city water in and hot water at home. Water heating. How the water heating phenomena comes, that one is the passive system, another one is the active system. In the passive system, the thermosiphon, the collective storage system; in active system, that the direct circulation system, indirect circulation system, hot air system. In the thermosiphon, we can see that one side from the cold water enters and another side we can see that the hot water comes from the outer side. The circulation occurs. The thermosiphon is the tube's structure that heated by the sun energy, and that tubes will be heat. The circulation of the water inside the tube will be heated by the heating of the coil. That comes the warm water comes from the outside. Active system, the direct circulation system, the indirect circulation system, and the hot air system. So these are the active systems. Now, the schematic diagram and the working of the passive solar water heating and active solar water heating system. This is a figure in which the hot water and the cold water. So first we discuss about passive water heating, then we discuss about the active water heating system. When the sun rays comes on the collector plate, then it absorbs its energy. A water is placed in a container and the hot water that is heated by the sun energy, and in the active solar water heating system, the hot water, the thermal collector, and the collector panels that base into the cold water. The cold water circulating pipe to the collector panels. The hot water goes outside the thermostat coolers control storage tank with electric or gas backup. Now space heating. Active solar water heating system, a system that uses the water or air that the sun has heated and is then circulated by a fan or pump. हेलो, हाँ बताएं, गुड मॉर्निंग, हाँ बताओ। अंकित से बात करिए एक बार, अंकित खाली सर से। In the passive solar heating system, the house itself acts as the solar collector and storage facility. No pumps or fan are used. This system makes use of the material of the house to store and absorb heat. The collector collects the sun energy. It goes on the pump, the storage, where distribution pumps are fanned for active and the living space. So, in the passive solar heating system, the house itself acts as the solar collector and storage facility. No pumps or fan are used. This system makes use of the material of the house to store and absorb heat. Now, passive solar heating system. There are three types of the passive solar heating system. One is direct gain, another one is the indirect gain, and then attached greenhouse gas. डायरेक्ट ओवरहीटिंग समर में डायरेक्ट आएगी, विंटर में that comes at an concentrate flow and the insulation into this. Indirect gain, living space, warm or cool, water drums, rigid board insulation. The greenhouse, hot air out and the cool air in. The double glazing black absorber plate is styrofoam into the greenhouse. So these are the three types: direct gain, indirect gain, and attached greenhouse. Now space cooling. The heat from a solar collector can also be used to cool a building by using the solar heat as an energy source. सोलर कलेक्टर जो सन है वो सोलर कलेक्ट करेगा। कंट्रोलर, कभी कभी एनर्जी जो है बहुत तेज़ सन की एनर्जी रहती है तो वो ज़्यादा इंटेंसिटी से आती है, कभी सन की एनर्जी कम होती है तो उसकी इंटेंसिटी कम होती है। तो कंट्रोलर जो क्या करता है वो पंप के थ्रू बॉयलर में वाटर है सर्कुलेट हो रहा है, सन से वाटर जो है वो हीट होगा और हीटेड वाटर जो है हम उसका यूज़ करेंगे। सो सोलर कलेक्टर यूज टू कूल a building by using the solar heat as an energy source. Now, electricity from solar energy. Solar power is described as the conversion of the sunlight into electricity. Sunlight को electricity में change कर रहा है. Sunlight should be changed into electricity with the use of directly using PV or photovoltaic or indirectly by CSP. Concentrated solar power. CSP is a power generation technology that uses mirrors or lenses to concentrate the sun rays and the heat a fluid and produce steam. The steam drives a turbine and generates power in the same way as conventional power plants. Other concepts are being explored, and not all future CSP plants will necessarily use a steam cycle. Solar power is concentrated in various ways. There are now several devices and structures created which focus and concentrate solar power. One is solar parabolic tubes, another one is Stirling dish, then solar power tower, and then the linear Fresnel reflector. So solar power is concentrated in the various ways that are the structure created with focus and concentrate solar power. These are the different figures by which we obtain the energy from the solar energy. Photovoltaics. The converting solar energy directly into the electrical energy. The device that use are called solar panels. Solar panel is a group of solar cell and the solar cell works on the principle of the photovoltaic effect. So converting the sun energy direct into the form of electrical energy that comes into the photovoltaics, that device which converts the solar energy into the electricity, that is called solar panels. एंड द सोलर पैनल्स को अगर हम एक ग्रुप में रखें तो हम उसको कहते हैं सोलर सेल एंड सोलर सेल वर्क ऑन द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ द फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक इफेक्ट. द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ए सोलर सेल. हमें पता है कि जो भी हमें इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ऑब्टेन होती है वो थ्रू द सोलर सेल. अब सोलर सेल वर्क कैसे करता है ये इसका इम्पोर्टेंट कंसिडरेशन हमें समझना होगा, क्योंकि जब भी सन की रेज आती है सबसे पहले सोलर सेल मटेरियल पे आती है जो कि सिलिकॉन मटेरियल का होता है. अब वो मटेरियल होता क्या है कि इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के जो मूवमेंट होते हैं तो वही इलेक्ट्रॉन के मूवमेंट की वजह से हमें इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी ऑब्टेन होती है. A typical solar cell is a multi-layered unit consisting of a cover, a clear glass or plastic layers that provides outer protection from the elements, transparent adhesive holds the glass to the rest of the solar cell. Anti-reflecting coating, this substance is designated to prevent the light that strikes the cell from the bouncing off so that the maximum energy is absorbed in the cell. This is called as the anti-reflecting coating. Front contact transmit the electric current. N-type semiconductor and P-type semiconductor layer. N-type semiconductor layer क्या होता है? This is a thin layer of a silicon which has been mixed. Process are called doping with phosphorus. P-type semiconductor layer. This is a thin layer of a silicon which has been mixed or doped with boron. The back contact transmit the electric current. Anti-reflection coating, transparent adhesive and over glass. Sunlight front contact. Current जो है that is the PN junction. Back contact N-layer semiconductor and P-layer semiconductor. So these are the different types of the plates. By one is the anti-reflecting coating, another one is the transparent adhesive, and then the cover glass. One is the N-type semiconductor and another one is the P-type semiconductor. Back contact is there, the PN junction, the current front contact. The working of a solar cell. The photoelectric effect when a light of certain frequency falls on the surface of a metal. जैसा कि अगर कोई लाइट है जो सन की लाइट है या सन की जो रेज है वो अगर किसी मेटल के ऊपर पड़ती है then electrons will absorb the energy. हर एक मेटल के अंदर इलेक्ट्रॉन की प्रेजेंस होती है, वो absorb करती है एनर्जी. इंसिडेंट लाइट energy is greater than the work function. Minimum energy required to remove the loose bound valence electron of the metal. Then the photoelectrons will be emitted and the excess energy is converted to the kinetic energy of the electron. Photon electrons will be emitted if incident light energy is greater than the work function minimum energy required to remove the loose boundary valence electron of the metal. Then the photoelectrons will be emitted and the excess energy is converted to the kinetic energy of the electron. Photons. When solar panels are placed in the sunlight, photon will strike the surface and emit the electron. As a result, electron hole pair is created in the solar cell. इससे क्या होता है, इलेक्ट्रॉन सेल जो है वो क्रिएट होता है. When external circuit is connected to the solar cell, electron flow in the circuit and the current is generated. External circuit is connected to the solar cell, electron flow in the circuit and the current is generated. So this is the working mechanism of the solar cell. हम इस फिगर के साथ समझ सकते हैं कि कैसे फोटॉन एन टाइप और पी टाइप है. जैसे सन की रेस किसी मेटल पे आई तो उस मेटल के अंदर इलेक्ट्रॉन है. इलेक्ट्रॉन की जो मिनिमम एनर्जी है, इलेक्ट्रॉन उस एनर्जी को पाएगा तो वो एक्साइट होगा और वो अपने लेवल को छोड़ के दूसरे लेवल पे जाने की कोशिश करेगा, तो जिसके थ्रू हमें एक फोर्स डेवलप होगा दैट कॉजिंग द current and EMF will be produced, and by generating the movement of the electron, the front content n-type and p-type semiconductors, when solar panel are placed inside the sunlight, photons will strike the surface and emits the electron. That result, the electron hole pair is created in the solar cell. When external circuit is connected to the solar cell, electrons flow in the circuit and the current is generated. Three type of solar electric system. One is the standalone, second is the grid tie solar system. In standalone or off-grid solar power system consists of solar panel and a battery tank. Used in rural areas and regions where there is no access to the utility grid, very good at giving economical electricity. The grid tie solar system, very useful for homes that are already linked to the utility grid. Primary advantage is the cheap price of utility. The system needs to be wired with an inverter that creates electricity which is needed for linking to the utility grid. Stand alone of the grid. This is the figure of the stand alone grid system. सोलर एरे, सन की जो है वो रेज आ रही है, हम सोलर पैनल जिसको बोलते हैं सोलर सेल पे आ रही है. सोलर सेल क्या कर रहा है, डीसी करंट ऑब्टेन कर रहा है. उस डीसी करंट को हम चार्ज कंट्रोलर लगा देते हैं जिसके थ्रू हमें एक फॉर्मल इंटेंसिटी से जो करंट है वो ऑब्टेन हो, उसको हम बैटरी में रख लेते हैं. वो डीसी करंट जो है वो इन्वर्टर के थ्रू एसी करंट में चेंज हो जाती है. तो दीज आर द एसी लोड. इससे हम कंप्यूटर चला सकते हैं, रेडियो, रेफ्रिजरेशन, फैन, पंप, टीवी और फ्लोरोसेंस लैम्प. अब तो सोलर सेल से हम एयर कंडीशन भी बना रहे हैं, बट जो ओवरऑल कॉस्ट है एसी की वो ज़्यादा है. तो वी वर्क इन दैट एरिया, सो वी मूव द refrigeration process and the air conditioning system by the solar energy. This is the grid connected system. जैसे कि हमें अक्सर पावर ग्रिड के थ्रू इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की सप्लाई मिलती है थ्रू द कन्वेंशनल एनर्जी सिस्टम. सो ऑल्दो we comes on a grid connected system by the solar energy. Grid supply that the electricity transfer into the home, and this energy grid supply inverter, DC line and solar panel. हेलो हेलो, हाँ हाँ बताएं. गुड मॉर्निंग. अंकित खरे से बात करो. ग्रिड सप्लाई, इन्वर्टर, डीसी लाइन, सोलर पैनल, सब अर्बन रोड. सोलर पावर सोल्यूशन. पीवी मॉड्यूल है, उस पीवी मॉड्यूल के थ्रू चार्ज कंट्रोल है, बैटरी है, इन्वर्टर है. दैट द मेन वर्किंग of the PV module by which we obtain the electricity. क्योंकि PV मॉड्यूल में जो भी हमारा मटेरियल है सिलिकॉन, तो उससे जैसे ही सन एनर्जी मिलती है वो इलेक्ट्रॉन जो है वो एक्साइट होकर अपनी लेयर को छोड़ते हैं, तो हमें इलेक्ट्रॉन के मूवमेंट की वजह से करंट मिलता है, उसी करंट को हम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में ऑप्टेन करते हैं. सो पीवी मॉड्यूल चार्ज कंट्रोलर which store the current in a battery. That battery, a frame of DC supply, with the help of inverter, we convert into the electrical alternating current, and this alternating current that are used into the home power, industrial applications, lasers, that are battery charging, battery maintenance, and the mobile power solutions. The uses of the solar energy. There are huge areas in which we use the solar energy. One is the heater, cars, lights, satellites, dryers, calculators, greenhouses, water pumps, desalination, chilling, solar power, thermal. The commercial use on an office building roof areas can be converted with solar panels. Remote buildings such as schools, communities can make use of solar energy. In developing countries, these solar panels are very much useful. Even on the highway, for every 5 kilometers, solar telephones are used. These are the applications in which we use the solar energy, solar car, solar heater, solar light. The developing solar power energy in Pakistan had great potential that receive high solar radiation throughout the year. Advantages of the solar energy. Solar cell are long-lasting source of energy which can be used almost anywhere. Solar cell are also totally silent. Disadvantage of the solar power. The disadvantage of the solar power, initial cost. The initial cost of the purchasing and installing solar panels always become the first disadvantage. जो सोलर पैनल आता है वो थोड़ा सा कॉस्टली है, जिसकी वजह से इनिशियल कॉस्ट सोलर सेल की बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. ऑल्दो सब्सिडी प्रोग्राम, टैक्स initiative and rebate incentives are given by government to promote the use of solar panels, we are still way behind in the making full and efficient use of solar energy. Location. Location of the solar panels is a major importance in the generation of the electricity, because the solar panel will be exist in such areas that remains most cloudy and foggy.
सच्ची के पेपर में प्रॉब्लम ये आ रही है कि वो रिस्ट्रिक्शन एक दो में बस ऑप्शन करना है. रिस्ट्रिक्शन लगा रखा है. रात बाहर छुट्टी पे है, मेल आईडी फोन पासवर्ड मिलता भी नहीं है, और अभी भेजते भी हैं तो मिलेगा 12 बजे के बाद नहीं. तो प्रॉब्लम ये है कि मैक्सिमम बच्चों का पेपर छूट जाएगा और
चलिए अब आते हैं तो देखा जाएगा क्या होगा. कह दीजिए कि जो भी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व होगी वो सच्ची सच्ची ही एंड से होगी.
या तो फिर लोग ये बोल दे रहे हैं कि जो लोग अटेंड नहीं कर पाए उनको 2 बजे के बाद कराना.
एक बार जावेद सर से भी बता दीजिए पहले कि सर मेरे पेपर कैसे होगा, सब कुछ नहीं होगा तो सच्ची ही सर जो करेंगे. The location of the solar panel is a major importance in the generation of the electricity. Area which remains mostly cloudy and foggy will produce electricity but at reduced rate and may require more panels to generate enough electricity. Homes, houses which are covered by trees, landscapes or other buildings may not be suitable enough to produce solar power. Pollution. The most of the photovoltaic panels are made up of silicon and other toxic metals like mercury, lead and cadmium. फोटोवोल्टिक पैनल्स जो हैं वो सिलिकॉन के बनते हैं और अदर टॉक्सिक मेटल्स जैसे कि मरकरी हो गया, लेड हो गया, कैडमियम हो गया. Pollution in the environment can also degrade the quality and the efficiency of the photovoltaic cell. New innovative technologies can overcome the worst of these effects. The reliability, unlike other renewable sources, which can also be operated during night. Solar panels prove to be useless during nights, which mean you have to depend on the local utility grid to draw power in the night. सबसे ज़्यादा जो ड्रॉबैक है सोलर एनर्जी का वो ये है कि नाइट के टाइम में हमें सन से कोई एनर्जी मिलती नहीं। अब होता क्या है कि जो दिन में हमें एनर्जी मिल रही है सोलर से, या बारिश के टाइम में हमें सन की अवेलेबिलिटी बहुत कम हो जाती है। विंटर्स में हम जनरली देखते हैं कि जो सन है वो बहुत कम बाहर आता है। तो कुल मिला के जो रिलायबिलिटी है, अगर हम कहें कि कंटिन्यूस हम 24 आवर and throughout all the seasons in a year, that 12 months and into 24 hours per day, that we cannot generate electricity through the solar cell. This is the major drawbacks of the solar energy, because unlike other renewable sources which can also be operated during night, solar panels prove to be useless during night, which means you have to depend on the local utility grid to draw power in the night. The inefficiency. The sun's not the night light from the sun is absorbed by the solar panels. Therefore, most solar panels have a 40% efficiency rate, which means 60% of the sunlight gets waste and is not harnessed. All the light from the sun is absorbed by the solar panels. Therefore, most solar panels have a 40% efficiency rate, which means solar panels से जो electricity मिलती है वो maximum 40% efficiency rate से मिलती है. That means the 60% of the sunlight gets wasted and is not harnessed. The installation areas for home users, the solar energy installation may not require huge space, but for big companies, a large area is required for the system to be efficient in providing a source of electricity. These are the various allocations. Better ways of usage. The government should take measures and see that the solar light are used as a street light in all the areas. We can place solar panels in the barren land instead of keeping it always uselessly. We can also keep these solar panels in the desert, where we can use of this energy with the help of the rechargeable battery. The efficiency of the solar panel depends on the range or frequency of light that strike the surface. So they can give higher efficiency if we split the light into different frequency range and direct the beams onto the cell. Turn to these frequencies. Building a new home is the best time to design and orient the home to take the advantage of the sun rays. Okay, thank you.